G'day everyone, warm Jika to another rip roaring episode. Uncle Jojo here. Today we're going to talk about temp bracing. So when we chuck up frames for our homes, when we're doing that framing, we actually need to be putting bracing on. Between throwing the frame up into position and installing the structural brace, we sometimes need to temporarily brace it. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to plumb up and square up a frame as we're going along. One of the best tricks I ever learned was the one that you're about to see, and what it basically does is ensures that as long as we've got that timber running from the top plate to the bottom plate, and then we'll have the piece going in between, we'll pin that at the bottom. That becomes our lever that way. Top plate, bottom plate, lever. So we've only got 3 nails in it so far. We lever it into position, or we can pull it back into position, whichever way we need to. We can plumb it up that way, and then we pin it in the center that's not going to go anywhere. We make sure that the corners are plumb. That means level on a vertical line, not a horizontal line, a vertical line. We need to make sure that they're plumb. Then we can tie in those corners together, and then as we've nailed that off and we move ourselves around, everything's rigid and stays into place. Things can't fall over then. We hear too often about walls or materials on site falling or collapsing, and people or workers getting hurt from that. We want to reduce the danger on site and make sure that everyone is well looked after and gets to go home. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about that video on our temp bracing, flick them over. I'll answer them for you best I can whenever I can. Like always, stay unreal, banana peel. I'll see you in the soup.